Very good morning, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I've created an indicator rolling pivot reversal magic. This is uncomparable with the all other indicators which are present in community script. The reason for this, I tried many indicators, applying many indicators. They have not come or given practical experience, one or the other pitfalls on those indicators. And this is an indicator. Rolling pivot reversal magic is an indicator directly coded by taking the price into consideration and the balance. So that is the thing, that is the, zing of this indicator. People do misunderstand the coding of this indicator, buy sell signals all over. That was intentionally done. I didn't put an buy signal only at one point. And I've made this indicator dynamic to show that, alert the traders that market is going to reverse. When the market changes its color from green to neutral, you can see over here, red to green, it indicated it is preparing itself for the up move. And when the green turned to gray, it indicated that it is preparing for the down move. So that's what the indicator tells you by visually, you can be prepared for that. And apart from that, though it may look like so many buy and sell signals are there, psychology of the trader has taken into consideration. For example, when there is a buy signal, see, buy signal has been generated over here and a red signal comes immediately, the people will enter into it because the traders have been taught about the candlestick pattern, pin bar, like that, they will go into selling opportunity, wrong trade. This prevents, actually buy signal was plotted because considering that Gann Hilo and the pivot, when the price is above the balance line, above the pivot balance line, then there is no question of selling in the market. There is no question of selling in the market. It is a correction and discount opportunity to enter into the trade. Suppose if you would have missed the trade, definitely you will miss the trade. This is the big money play. Big money will not allow you to enter into the trade. They will immediately, with immediate push, the price will jump like that. So you cannot enter into the trade and you will be in dilemma where to enter into the trade. So you want a discount. This is a discount still telling you not the sell. So like that, trader will get confidence in this rolling pivot reversal magic. Apart from that, trend is there. Trend has flipped. It tells you trend has flipped. Over here, you can see in between dozy candles are formed and the price has moved over here. The Still, when here around this area, the price started turning into gray, and I've coded for the pivot for the purple color. See, this is to identify the pivot. You can see price came down below the pivot. There is no plotting of any buy or sell signals over here. You can say it is a neutral. Why? Prices come below the pivot, but still above the trend line. So that's why it is not plotting sell signal. So you can anticipate for a next pullback after the discount. And when the price starts failing below or going past this line, the mark and its rolling pivot starts plotting red color in that. So sell signal has been generated so clearly the market has come down. It is not of course, it looks like an artwork, but the people should know how to read the artwork. If you do not read the artwork, you cannot decipher the meaning of the artwork. So people do comment on that. It is clumsy in the indicator, but each and everything in this indicator, care has been taken about the market structure, market trend, and the price reversals and everything. That is the beauty of this indicator. And many people who have purchased my indicator have become profitable. It is a universal indicator on all time frames. You name it, you can go to the higher time frame. Yeah, it is for a swing trade or a positional trade. For an intraday trader, it is a clear boon. Actually, you see, for example, now I am on the hourly chart. It is clearly here itself. It told that market is going to go down. Okay, you can make out that the uh, pivot turned red. Pivot turned red and the price was down. There is no question of intraday pullback to enter into a call option or anything. You have to wait for the premium, then the put option will become discount. You again and again you will get an opportunity to enter into the put option. The direction was clear. Direction is clear. So beautiful. If I see, I'll show the difference between this indicator and the super trend. I'll apply the super trend. Let me hide this and I'll apply the super trend. Let me type in super trend. You can see on your own what is the problem with the super trend. Super trend doesn't tell you, let me go to let me go to this. See, it is static. You don't know. You don't know whether to enter into the short or anything. The signals are very slow. There is no signal. You cannot make out. See, it is pulling back. It is pulling back. You don't know, right? This is how. Let me take you to the daily time frame. You cannot decide on yourself with the super trend. Yeah, how can you take the trade on an intraday basis? So it's super trend lags because super trend takes the average true range. It is static. It doesn't move. It doesn't move. You can see it has become flat over here, even though the price is coming down. So you cannot generate any signals over here. That is the drawback with the super trend. And let me apply the moving averages, everything. So it is incomparable. I can trust traders. This is my hard work and my imagination which has given the practical indicator which is very closely related to the price action. So that's how I have created this indicator, and you have to make use of this, understand this. Psychology is the most important in trading. If the most of the traders, even though they are professionals, they know the market, they might have traded since 1998, those traders failed because that psychology dominates in the market. That is the play of the market. That is the big players, they do that. One day they push the market down and another day they push the market up. It is like tying your eyes and making you to turn around to make you directionless. You might have hide and seek game. You might have seen about the game. This is the game actually. They are big players play like that. Unless see here you can clearly see when the price was pulling back, the trend indicator GAN Hilo was indicating plotting down move. This is not a reversal. You cannot anticipate. This is where the market reversed and moved here. Here in this month, market is clearly showing the downward move, though it spent time over here. Over here, time-wise correction it has done. Now it is clear that it is once it starts moving below 25,000, 25,865 and close, it starts moving below 25,771, then market is going to seek the lower levels. You can see, you can use these reference levels, balance levels like this for your trade. See, the market has climbed. This is the another balance level. It came down to 25,600, little bit to 649, and market climbed over. Once it starts breaking below, next destination will be 25,523. This is how you can, and apart from that, this is a boon for a seller, option seller. They can make out where to enter into they could, if they would have sold this nifty, or a put option, call option, if they would have returned, they would have made quite a lot sum of money. Let me take you people to the 25,200 or 300 call option. You can see on your own how it has been changed. You would have gained money in that. Let me go to the monthly call option, 26,300 call option. Sorry, I've gone to put option. Let me go to the 26,300 call option. You can see over here on December 1st. Let me, this is November 28th. Where is that December? No, from now, December 1st. Yeah, December 1st, it was around 404 rupees. 404 rupees. Yeah, let me mark this. See, let me mark this. This indicated weakness. When it indicated weakness on the underlying, if you would have taken the sell trade on this, you can see on your own, it has come down to 56 rupees. 56 rupees. That if you would have sold this around 384 with the help of the indicator, and you could have made quite a good sum of money. Quite a good sum of money. That means 340 per one lot of selling. 340 into 75, you could have gained 25,500. It is a boon for an option writer too. An option writer, whether he is a put writer or a call writer, they confidently they can do that. One of my purchaser from UAE, he is doing credit spreads, and he is making a good amount of money. Almost he has achieved 4 to 5 lakhs in his profit in this by using my indicator. So you should know how to read this indicator, understand the concept. Each and everything has been taken into trend, market structure, and sentiment has been taken into consideration in this indicator. It is a whole package. So if you have not accessed this indicator, it is a paid indicator. If you want this indicator, you can message me on 98452 09600. This is my WhatsApp number. You can message me. You will get the details about it. So I'm making members only videos. You can subscribe to my channel by paying minimal amount. So you will be getting educational videos which will educate you on the market structure. So basics, some basics knowledge should be there when you are using the indicators. If you do not know the basic things, you will tend to make mistake. Thank you very much, friends. Narinakshi Swami signing off.